Question. The locus of the point of intersection of the tangents to the parabola y square is equals to 4 times x plus 1 and y square is equal to 8 times x plus 2, which are perpendicular to each other. Solution. To solve this question, first the given parabolas are y square is equals to 4 times x plus 1 and y square is equals to 8 times x plus 2. These are the given parabolas. So the equation of the tangent to the parabola, this y square is equal to 4ax, y is equals to mx plus a by m. So now if you compare these parabolas with y square equal to 4ax, then 4a is equals to 4, that is a is equal to 1. Now if you compare this parabola with y square equal to 4x, then 4a is equals to 8, a is equals to 2. Now the equation of the tangent to the y square equal to 4 into x plus 1 parabola, y is equal to m times x plus 1 plus a by m. A is 1 here, a by m. So now the equation of the tangent to the parabola, second parabola, y is equals to m prime into x plus 2 plus a by m. A is 2 here, a by m prime, because we have taken the slope of the tangent to the first parabola as m and the slope of the tangent to the second parabola as m dash. Now here we introduce the two parameters. So to get the locus, we need to eliminate the parameters m and m prime. So here given condition is what? We need to find the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents which are perpendicular to each other. Here the geometrical condition is the tangents are perpendicular. So the tangents are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes, that is m prime is equal to minus 1. So from this one, m prime is equal to minus 1 over m. Now you put this m prime is equal to minus 1 over m in second equation, that is second tangent. So now the second equation becomes y is equal to m prime is minus 1 over m into x plus 2 plus 2 over minus 1 over m. So which is equals to minus 1 over m x plus 2 minus 2m. Give this to number 3. So now from this first equation and this third equation, eliminate the parameter m. So how to eliminate? Just you subtract 3 from 1. So if you subtract 3 from 1, this left hand side y minus y, this becomes 0. Right hand side m times x plus 1 plus 1 over m plus 1 over m x plus 2 plus 2m is equals to 0. This implies 0 is equals to, here if you open the brackets, mx plus m plus 1 over m plus x over m plus 2 over m plus 2m. Now what you do is you club so these two terms and these two terms, and you take out x common from these two terms and 2 common from these two terms. Then this 0 is equals to x times m plus 1 over m, and this m plus 1 over m as it is, that is m plus 1 over m, plus from these two terms you take out 2 common, that is 2 times, so that is 2 times m plus 1 over m. Now from these three terms, m plus 1 over m is common. So this implies 0 is equals to, if you take out m plus 1 over m common, you left with in bracket x plus 1 plus 2. This implies 0 is equals to m plus 1 over m into x plus 3. Here the product of these two numbers is 0. So m plus 1 by m never be 0. So this is not equal to 0. That implies only possibility is x plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the required locus.